How to create a couple photo reflection in crystal ball in Canva. So please hit the subscribe button and let's get started. So for this effect, I have chosen the crystal ball, which is astrological background crystal ball with prediction horoscope. So this is the image of the crystal ball, and to match with this image, I have chosen this couple of the floral colors dress and the boy wearing check shirt. So I have chosen this one because it will match the vibe of this main crystal ball picture. So I will choose this image and make the crystal ball bigger. Okay, and place it right here. And after that, as you can see, it is not covering the whole of the canvas. So for doing that, I will just click on the image, click on edit. So after this panel opens of Magic Studio, quickly scroll down to Magic Expand and click on whole page, click on expand, and just wait for some time to make the magic happen. So this one looks good to me as it covers the whole of the canvas. Click on done. Okay, so now it is, the image is ready, the main background image is ready. Now to make this effect, let's see if it is working fine or not with this transparency part. Okay, just place it right here to work on it. Okay, so this one is done. After that, just increase the transparency now and come to apps here. Just right here, image, blender. Click on it. Click on blend selected image because we have already selected the image for which we want to blend. Click on radial and just move this in the lower part here because the main image is coming here. After that, just increase or decrease the strength to check if it is working fine for your image. Okay, and click on save. Okay, and your image is ready. As you can see in here, it is blending perfectly with the background and your main blending is done here. So hope you like this tutorial. This is a very easy one to follow and you can make this in just 1 to 2 minutes of your time. So please subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments which tutorial you want to learn next. Thank you.